Hi guys, this is Yang and I'm back with another giveaway. This giveaway is conducted by Trust Wallet. If you are familiar with it, Trust Wallet is one of the well-known and trusted wallet in crypto or crypto wallet. So this is one of the wallet that I mostly use when it comes to trading or airdrops, just like MetaMask. So since Trust Wallet has just partnered with Grand Combat, so Grand Combat is an airdrop. Grand Combat also has an airdrop. Kung makikita nyo, may video din ako na step-by-step tutorial on how to join Grand Combat. I will also include it on the description box, yung link para makasali kayo. So, Trust Wallet, ayan, join our 50,000 USDT airdrop. Grabe no, ang laki ng airdrop nila, guys. So, 50,000, when it is converted to pesos, it's, tingnan natin, USDT to peso. So, 50,000, yan o, tinan nyo, almost 3 million or 2,815,000. Grabe. So, these are the only tasks that you have to do. So, this $50,000 will be distributed to 5,000 participants to win. So, if this is the amount, $50,000, let's see kung magkano. And then 5,000 winners. So 50,000 divide lang natin sa 5,000. Yan. Ayan o, $10. So nasa magkano din yan? Nasa 600 pesos. Libre lang yan. Ito lang yung gagawin nyo guys. Sobrang napakadali. And if you are, kung papalarin ka na manalo, one of the winners here. So easy peasy lang, 'di ba? So sa 600 pesos, ito lang yung um, dapat yung gawin. So, here are the tasks. Yan, sabi dito like and retweet. Ayan. Oh, nalike ko na pala siya. Actually, nalike ko na to kasi nag-join nga ako sa Grand Combat na airdrop. So, nag-join tayo. Meron na tayong, nagawa na natin yung unang task. Next, follow daw. Follow si Trust Wallet and Grand Combat. Ito naman, ay, kiklik nyo lang to. Mapupunta kayo sa account nila. Ayan. I'm already following si Grand Combat. Following na din. Complete Trust Wallet tasks in Grand Combat Bot. Earn. Grand Combat Bot. Earn. Natapos na natin to kahapon sa video natin sa step-by-step tutorial for Grand Combat Airdrop. Natapos na natin yung tasks. Pero kung hindi pa kayo guys, ayun, ito lang yung link na kailangan yung i-click. Ayan o, ayan. Open in web. Pero hindi siya gumagana kasi kapag nasa laptop or computer. Right now kasi I'm using computer. Ayan o. So, play on your mobile. So, you can play it on your mobile. So, ayan lang guys. Ito lang yung gagawin nyo. After nito, sabihin lang natin done. Pag natapos nyo yung tasks, lahat ng to, lagay natin dito done. Malay mo. And then, kung ikaw naman yung um, napili na nanalo sa giveaway na to, reply. Itatag ka naman nila sa Twitter. So, kailangan yung mag-create ng Twitter account kung wala pa kayo. So, ito lang guys yung kailangan nyo. Napakadali lang, no? Sobra. Napakadali. At talagang legit to kasi si Trust Wallet na to eh. So, partner nila si Grand Combat. Yun guys. You only have to do is like and retweet, follow yung two accounts na to, and then complete yung nasa tasks doon sa Grand Combat Bot. I will put the link para sa Grand Combat Bot kung paano nyo ma-earn yung or magagawa yung task kahit sa Trust Wallet. Ayun guys, so ayun lang naman. Ang dami na ring sumali eh. Tingnan nyo. So that means 48,000 na rin yung sumali. So may chance pa rin tayong manalo. Ayan, so kung napanood nyo to, gawin nyo lang agad yung task. So, sobrang dali lang naman. I think it will just take 2 minutes of your time para matapos magawa nyo yung tasks. Yun lang guys. And then if you are into crypto or yun, naghahanap kayo ng mga pwedeng mapagkakitaan at gusto nyo kumita ng mga libreng coins sa crypto, you can just subscribe in this channel because I'm always posting airdrop tutorials, especially for beginners. Just subscribe and thank you for watching. Bye bye.